Carrying plates correctly is one of the skills required to be able to serve effectively. There are several tips to know. The first is to never place your fingers in the plate to avoid leaving a mark that might not please the customer. The second, always keep the plate straight to preserve the plating done by the chef in the kitchen. The plate should always look the same from the moment it's collected in the kitchen to the moment it's served to the customer. Carrying 1 or 2 plates is a similar exercise. Grasp the plate from underneath, then spread your fingers. The edge of the plate must rest on the base of your thumb to maintain balance. Carrying 3 plates is a slightly more perilous exercise, yet within everyone's reach. 2 plates will be carried in the left hand and 1 plate in the right hand. You will start by loading your left hand. To do this, the plate will rest on the base of your thumb and your pinky finger while keeping your fingers spread underneath. The second plate will come to rest on your forearm as well as your thumb and pinky finger so as not to touch the bottom plate. Then take the last plate in your right hand. When you carry 3 plates, the plate in your right hand will be the first served. The plate on your left forearm will be the second served, while the one in your left hand will be the last served. Keep this order in mind to arrange your plates so as to respect the order of service. This will avoid an embarrassing situation in front of the customers. To help you practice in your restaurant when there are no customers to become as agile as possible, you can use lemon quarters placed skin side down in the center of the plate. Walk around without moving the lemons from their initial position. Remember, do not put your fingers in the plate. Keep the plate very straight to serve it as the chef plated it. Think about the order of service when you carry 3 plates. Practice as much as necessary.